we're gonna add a query metric here. Let's say deals for Thomas. Okay, we're gonna choose the source Hubspot, and then in the metric you can choose any number of metrics. For example, count contacts, count companies, count deals, average deal value, the duration of the calls, meetings, notes, and tasks. Okay, so let's start with, for example, count deals. Every time you're filtering something, then in a dashboard you need a date, okay, because you will filter it by date. So for example, if you want to filter the number of deals by the date they were created, you're gonna choose the create date. And now let's say, for example, we want to filter deals that were only assigned to Thomas. Okay, so in this case, by counting deals, you can filter those deals by information that are inside those deals, as custom properties or whatever it may be. And as well, you can filter deals, by associated objects, to those deals. For example, contacts, companies, calls, meetings, and so forth. So let's say, for example, we want to filter for the deal owner to be Thomas, right? This would be one way to do it. Let's say if you want to use, for example, the contact owner. In that case, you're going to choose associated contacts owner is Thomas, right? So that could be one example. Let's create this metric and let's add a new one. Let's say, for example, we want to deals to proposal sent from paid. So we want to count deals again, but we want to count the number of deals that moved to the sales stage proposal sent, right, in your pipeline. So in this case, we want to filter the date entered proposal sent, right, from your sales pipeline. And as well, we want to filter those that come from paid media acquisition source, right? So we want to filter associated contacts, right? And we can put the original source is paid, okay? That would be, again, another example. Let's say we want to, for example, count number of contacts with calls bigger than 10 minutes. We want to choose Hubspot, count number of calls, count number of contacts by the date they were created. And here I will put associated calls to those contacts, right? And the duration is bigger than 5 minutes, okay? That would be, another metric. Or for example, if you want to count contacts that come from a specific industry that have calls for more than 5 minutes, we can add here another filter and choose companies, industry is any of, for example, accounting, banking, and broadcast media, okay? So as you can see, you can create any number of metrics and filter it, with all your Hubspot data using and or filters right here. And you can add, tiles, charts, tables, and so forth using, the metrics you just created. So for example, if you want to add a new table test and group this, by week for this quarter, and you can choose here, from the list of metrics, whatever metric, you created before, right? You can choose here the metrics, and once you save it, it will create a new table like this one here.